Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get animated wallpapers for Windows 10 or 11 for free. So make sure to follow and subscribe. Now from your Microsoft Store, all you have to do is to type uninstall live wallpaper for desktop. So just search for it and you can actually install and choose an app here and install it to your computer. So for example, this one, desktop live wallpaper, and then install this app to your desktop, and then all you have to do is to just explore here. You can also use like another app like Pexels to download live wallpapers directly to your desktop. So just type in live wallpaper and then just choose the live wallpaper video, and you can download these videos for free. Now you can only download these videos in a specific ratio or size. So for you to have a good quality of videos, you can convert your videos using Cloud Convert, and then you can just paste here and then start converting your videos. And once they're done, you can actually put them in one file for you to locate them easily. So open your desktop live wallpaper app, and then you can locate here the file that you have the live wallpapers. Click OK, and then you can choose there the wallpaper that you wish to use, the live wallpaper. And you can also here launch live wallpaper on Windows Startup. And if you wish to download more, you can upgrade to the pro version of this app, but you have to pay for it, like this one. So basically that's the process. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more updates.